Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best timers for aquarium lights. Number 1. SEAOURA Spectrum. Bring vibrant life to your aquarium with a powerful lighting system designed to create the perfect environment for both fish and aquatic plants. Featuring a DIY mode, you can easily adjust time, brightness, and color to match your tank's needs. The timer offers 3 settings, 6, 10, or 12 hours, while the brightness control provides 10 levels to set just the right glow. Choose from multiple color modes, including white, red, green, pink, or calming blue, giving you complete freedom to enhance the beauty of your tank. With a full spectrum design, this light promotes healthy growth for freshwater plants and ensures fish thrive under natural-looking illumination. High-quality SMD 2835 LED chips deliver soft, beautiful light at 6,500 K, with a color rendering index of up to 89% for a natural daylight effect. Unlike ordinary lights, this system uses 5 compact columns of LEDs with an extendable metal bracket that fits tanks between 18 and 24 inches. The durable ABS shell ensures efficient heat dissipation, while the memory function retains your last settings even after a power outage. Plus, the gentle 15-minute sunrise and sunset mode creates a stress-free atmosphere for your fish. Simple, sleek, and easy to install, it's perfect for beginners and experienced aquarists alike. Number 2. NICREW Aquarium. Transform your aquarium into a vibrant underwater world with advanced lighting designed to support both plant growth and stunning visual appeal. Equipped with high-quality 6,500 K white LEDs combined with tricolored RGB LEDs, it delivers a balanced spectrum that enhances the natural beauty of fish while encouraging the healthy growth of low-light plants. With a 90 CRI, colors appear vivid and true to life, creating a breathtaking display in any freshwater setup. This system offers 4 preset modes: 5,000 K warm white, 7,500 K cool white, 12,000 K bluish white, and a serene moonlight deep blue, allowing you to instantly change the mood of your tank. For even greater precision, the fully adjustable spectrum lets you control the brightness of each red, green, blue, and white LED independently, from 0% to 100%, ensuring the perfect match for your aquarium's unique needs. An intuitive 24/7 mode simulates the natural cycle of sunrise, daylight, sunset, and night sky with a simple button press, bringing a realistic rhythm to your aquatic environment. For complete customization, you can program up to 10 different time slots with specific colors and intensities, perfectly replicating diverse aquatic habitats. Easy to use yet highly versatile, it's an ideal choice for aquarists who want professional-grade control and natural beauty. Number 3. AQQA Adjustable. Enhance your aquarium with a professional-grade lighting system that combines durability, versatility, and beauty. Built with a widened, thickened aluminum gloss shell, it not only looks sleek, but also ensures long-lasting performance. The wider surface design improves heat dissipation, keeping the light cool and extending its lifespan. Premium 50/50 and 2,835 LEDs deliver bright, vibrant illumination that highlights the colors of your fish while supporting healthy plant growth, giving your tank a truly stunning appearance. With a customizable DIY mode, you have complete control over your aquarium's atmosphere. Choose from 9 different light colors, 10 levels of brightness, and 3 timer options, 6H divided by 10H divided by 12H, to perfectly match your setup. For a more natural approach, the 24/7 default mode simulates a full day's cycle, beginning with warm orange sunrise, transitioning to bright full-spectrum daylight, and ending with calming starry blue night light. The built-in automatic schedule runs from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. and can be adjusted to suit your needs. Featuring IP68 waterproofing, this light is safe to fully submerge, making it perfect for freshwater tanks and aquatic plants. The extendable metal bracket provides easy installation and a secure fit for various aquarium sizes. Built to last, simple to use, and visually striking, it brings your aquatic world to life. Number 4. SEAOURA Brightness. Illuminate your aquarium with a high-performance lighting system designed to deliver brilliance, versatility, and natural beauty. Featuring 6 rows of premium LED chips, 2 rows of 5054 and 4 rows of 2835. It provides vibrant, consistent illumination that enhances both aquatic plants and fish, keeping your tank visually stunning day and night. A user-friendly touch controller with a clear LCD screen makes operation effortless. The built-in clock supports 24-hour scheduling, displaying time, mode, brightness, and color, while 6 intuitive buttons allow for quick customization. This system includes 3 programmable modes to suit every need. DIY mode offers 8 customizable segments within a 24-hour cycle, giving you full control over start and end times, brightness, and color. Daytime mode provides WRGB brightness adjustment with 20 levels, while nighttime mode lets you choose from multiple color options, including full spectrum and classic red, green, or blue. For added convenience, a preset 5-segment cycle simulates sunrise, daylight, sunset, and moonlight. Built with a dual-layer aluminum body, this light ensures excellent heat dissipation and long-lasting durability. Extendable brackets fit aquariums from 48 to 55 inches, while 9 color settings and dynamic weather effects, such as cloudy skies or lightning, add a natural, captivating touch to your underwater world. Number 5. Hygger Extendable. Bring natural beauty and professional-grade performance to your freshwater aquarium with a lighting system designed for both plants and fish. Featuring a fully programmable 24-hour cycle, it gradually transitions through sunrise, midday, sunset, and night, ensuring a healthy and stress-free environment. The built-in timer allows you to fine-tune light intensity, customize color combinations, and set up automatic schedules with memory function for convenience and consistency. With sunrise and sunset modes, LEDs gently brighten or dim over 15 minutes to prevent sudden light shock to your fish. Daylight mode blends white, red, green, and blue LEDs for vibrant illumination, while moonlight mode offers 6 single-color options: red, purple, blue, cyan, green, and yellow, along with 10 dimmable brightness levels. You can even save a customized preset for quick access to your preferred lighting setup. Built with IP68 water resistance and a durable 1.2 mm aluminum shell, this fixture resists splashes, humidity, and water intrusion, while efficiently dissipating heat without the need for a fan. Operating on safe low-voltage DC power, it also helps reduce energy costs. With 3,346 lumens of output, a 6,500 to 10,000 K spectrum, and adjustable mounting legs for aquariums 48 to 55 inches wide, it provides the perfect balance of functionality and elegance for any planted tank. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.